Why doesn't it feel like there's gravity in space?
One clear night, Leo was looking through his telescope when he had a big question.
Hi Stella. When astronauts go to space, they float and don't feel gravity. Why is that?
Great question, Leo. Let me explain why astronauts float in space.
Stella began by explaining what gravity is.
Gravity is a force that pulls things toward each other. It's what keeps us on the ground.
So, gravity is why we don't float on Earth.
Stella explained how gravity works in space.
Even in space, there is gravity. The moon and other planets have their own gravity too.
But why do astronauts float then?
Stella shared how orbiting affects gravity.
Astronauts float because they are in a state called free fall. They are always falling towards Earth but moving forward so fast that they keep missing it.
So, they are always falling but never hitting the ground?
Stella explained what weightlessness feels like.
In space, because of free fall, astronauts feel weightless. It's like being in a constant, gentle flow.
That's why they can float and move around easily.
Stella talked about how gravity affects space stations.
Space stations stay close to Earth because gravity keeps them in orbit. They don't drift away into space.
That's why space stations don't float away.
Stella explained how different orbits affect gravity.
Depending on how high a space station is, the gravity they feel can be a little stronger or weaker.
So, the higher they go, the different gravity they feel.
Stella shared how gravity varies on different planets.
Each planet has its own gravity. Mars has less gravity than Earth, so things there don't weigh as much.
That's why astronauts on Mars can jump higher.
Stella shared an interesting fun fact about gravity.
Did you know that the gravity on Jupiter is so strong that you could weigh over 2 times your Earth weight there?
Wow, Jupiter must be really big and heavy.
Stella explained how understanding gravity helps us in space exploration.
Knowing how gravity works helps us build rockets and plan space missions.
That's why we can explore space and visit other planets.
Gravity is what keeps our feet on the ground and helps us explore the stars.